Oh, yeah?
Is it going to go super fast?
We'll go as fast as you want to go.
And as slow as I want.
You tell me.
So you pull this one, you want to go slow, right?
No, I've got the handle back here.
Oh, okay, I'll tell you.
So you just grab, you're just holding that.
I want it to go very slow, okay?
Very slow?
Until I say you can make it go a little bit faster.
All right.
Well, I haven't been on a mountain coaster before.
Okay.
I'm literally shaking because I'm scared.
You what?
I'm shaking because I'm cold and I'm shaking.
Yeah, it's cold. Well, don't be scared. We're good to go.
I feel like it would be like it was on the Firefly. And I don't want it to be that.
It's not anything like that.
I mean, not the Firefly, the Dragonfly.
Right.
I keep on thinking it's the Firefly. We're going very high.
Yep. We're going way up there. And that's Mimi in front of us.
Hi, Mimi!
She can't hear us. Oh, look at them. Yeah, they got a little kid with them.
Hi, Mimi! She sees me. She hears me.
Yeah.
I'm not going as fast as they are.
Okay. You may change your mind, but
Slow.
see, how about that?
Oh, it's fun, but it also scares me.
Okay. Well, we're not going to get scared, that's for sure. We'll
So
go
I
with...
want to go slow.
Okay. Oh, Mimi got her hands in the air.
As slow as you can ever make it, okay?
Okay. Well, we can't stop, that's for sure. But it's going to be great. I promise you. It's going to be so much fun. You'll want to do it again.
We're going really high.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
See, we're still close to the ground.
But we're going high up the mountain.
Well, but that means, I mean, if you fell out, you'd just be right there.
Very slow, remember?
I remember. I don't even have it on yet.
You make it slow when you do
Okay, there goes Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Look at Mimi go.
I don't want to.
We won't. Again, it's just as fast as you want to go.
Here we go. Press the handle forward. Have fun.
Okay.
Make it slow, make it slow.
Whoops. Okay.
Make it slow, though.
Okay. We're going to be slow. We're slow.
It feels fine.
Huh?
You make it.
Here we go. Press the handle forward. Have fun.
Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's just like a car going around the mountain.
It's fine. Whoa. I like that.
Okay. See?
Just a little bit faster, but not that fast.
Okay.
I'm holding on for dear life. I like this.
Okay. I thought you would.
Keep it fast.
We're not all the way yet.
Well, don't make it all the way.
I'm not.
Make it
That's about halfway.
Oh, my gosh.
It's about halfway.
So fun! Oh, guys! Woo!
Okay, here we go. This is fast. Let's go. You gotta slow down.
That was amazing! I want to go again.
Well, we'll go again tonight. How about that?
Yeah.
Because it's $12 every time we go.
Oh, okay.
So we'll come back when it's dark.
Okay. That was amazing.